Gonna be installing a leg maker intake on a Hellcat 300. Alright, I'm gonna get back with y'all when I see what it's all in these boxes. Alright y'all, this everything that comes in the box: filter, couple clamps, a little pre-filter thing, the leg maker intake, and a boot. And then over here, so all we gotta do is unloosen this. It's already loose. We're gonna have to take this hose off of here with a heat gun, unplug this connector, and then just unloosen these clamps right here, and I'm gonna get back with y'all when we done taking this out. Alright y'all, so we got the intake off. One screw right there. Heat this up with a heat gun. Flathead screwdriver, take the clamps off. Now we're gonna install the leg maker. So it's really just this, a couple clamps, and a boot. So that hose right there that you heated up is gonna go right on here, and then that sensor right there going in here, and then this junk going right there. I'm gonna get back to y'all when we halfway done putting it in. All right, y'all. We got the intake installed, filter on. Heated this up with a heat gun, put it in. We just gotta put the sensor in right here. And this is the cord for it, or the plug-in for it. So there we go. Then we're gonna get a clip of how it sounds afterwards. Alright y'all. Alright y'all. We got that hole put on. There we go. Got the sensor plugged in, the hose on, clamps on, no engine lights on. Alright, so we're gonna get a little sound clip of the after for it.